Hey, I'm Brandon, and today we're going to show you the teaser trailer for the Leisure Travel Vans factory tour that they just released. However, it is not public. You cannot go on YouTube and find this factory tour, which is about 36 minutes. I've watched it. It's great. And again, just one of the reasons you love Leisure Travel Vans is the attention to detail they put in. But Dean takes us on a complete tour of the Leisure Travel Vans, not just factory, but their administration offices, how they put them together, how they paint everything. And so if you are interested in Leisure Travel Vans, you are going to love this. So let's roll that teaser trailer right now, and then I'll tell you how you can go watch this factory tour today, even though it is not public on YouTube.
Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. We're here in beautiful Winkler, Manitoba, Canada, where we build the world's best motorhomes, Triple E Leisure Travel Vans. If you've ever wondered how a leisure travel van is built, we have a full factory tour. I'm very excited. We're going to have a walkthrough of the entire leisure travel van Triple E factory. Not just parts of the factory, but every single inch of the factory from start to finish. We are a vertically integrated company. We make everything we can in-house. We're gonna walk through all the sub-assembly areas, and then we're gonna walk you down the main assembly lines where we build the Unity and Wonder motorhomes. We're gonna go back into our engineering department and of course our offices as well. You're gonna see the entire factory from start to finish. So make sure you sign up to watch our factory tour, and you're gonna see exactly how we build every single motorhome. The full leisure travel van factory tour experience. Come on, let's go have a tour of the factory.
Okay, so how do you watch the entire 36-minute factory tour with Dean? Well, you just go to leisureVans.com/factory-tour, put in your email, and then from there, it will take you to the video. I can tell you, Leisure Vans does such a great job of filming, of editing, of presenting. Dean always does a great job. The Leisure Vans marketing team always does a great job. And so you will definitely enjoy this video. So go watch this video. And if you own a Leisure Travel Vans, relish in the fact that you have such a great RV. And if you're on the wait list or you're looking at RVs, this will probably sell you on the right decision to put a leisure travel van in your life. But with that said, we will see you next time.